Well, hello there everyone. I'm gonna show you how to make some delicious roasted sweet potatoes in the air fryer. So let's begin. You will need a cutting board, 2 sweet potatoes, olive oil, a sharp knife, a container with a lid, salt, pepper, garlic powder, red chili powder, and red chili flakes, if you dare. First, rinse off any dirt on the sweet potatoes. Then cut off the ends of the potatoes and discard them immediately. Then slice the potatoes into round pieces. Be careful to slice only the potato and nothing else. Then cut any large pieces in half. Then place them into your container and add in the olive oil, the salt, the pepper, the garlic powder, and the red chili powder. Then place the lid on top of the container and give them a good old shake. You could also use a spoon to mix them up. Then you put them in this lovely machine. This machine got me through cooking school when nobody was looking. And then you get your friend George here to preheat the air fryer and pour in the potatoes. Avoid overlapping by spreading the potatoes out. Then put the basket into the air fryer and set the cook time for the fry setting, which is 18 minutes at 400 degrees Fahrenheit. At halfway done, take out the basket and give the potatoes a good shake. Then put them back in to cook for the remaining 9 minutes. And when they're done, you got these delicious, crispy, sweet potatoes that look so good. Mmm. Lastly, spread some red chili flakes on top of them if you want a spicy potato experience. And that's how you make my secret sweet potato recipe. See you all next time. Bye. Bye. Bye.